On Teaching as a Way to Learn network, you can leave messages for your friend. So what happens is you have a little inbox. People send you messages. There will be a little box. You check on the box, click on the part that's highlighted blue, the title of their message to you. How to reply on your message. When you click on this, how to reply on your message, it takes you into their message. And if you'll just cursor your way over to the right, you'll see the reply button. You'll click on that, then you can reply. Come down in the message center, click on send. Once you've answered the message and clicked send, this is what you'll see. You'll see your inbox again, and then you'll also see your name. You come down here to the bottom of the part, the little box that's about you, where it says inbox. You can go to sent messages if you want to check your message. Click on it, how to reply on a message. This is how you can reply. I'll send you the link to the video. Then you know that you have accomplished your task. If this video was helpful for you, I would appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up, and if you would subscribe to Into Teaching Everyone. It would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much.